Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn what is the use of S Pen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 5G. First of all, take out of S Pen. Just push here and S Pen will be coming out. Just take it out from your phone. Okay, this is called S Pen. You may ask what is the use of S Pen. Just like a touch with your finger, usually you will touch. Okay, so instead of using finger, you can use this S Pen to touch on the particular item. For example, if you are going to the settings icon, just go to the settings icon like this. Just go to the notification area, touch on the settings icon and it will open. Okay, for scrolling, just use like this, touch and hold and then move your pen and it will screen will also scrolling. Okay, this is one of the use. Okay, another way, if you want to open any app, just click on the app, just touch on the app and it will open. Okay, and there is another way of using this S Pen. Okay, suppose if you are going through YouTube and if you want to search something on YouTube, instead of typing from the keypad, you can just write using your pen. Okay, yes, pen. Here what you want to search, just write. Okay, here I just write, listen, 5 minutes tech, 5 minutes. Then if you would like to put a space, you can click here and just touch here and then write tech. Yes, it is written. Suppose if you want to delete a text, if you have wrongly written, you can just use this option, delete option. Okay, this option. Suppose if you want to use a keyboard instead of this pen, if you are not comfortable with this pen for writing on the search bar, just click here, touch here and this keyboard will open. Okay, so in this way you can easily write what you want to search. Okay, with your pen, like ordinary pen on paper, just you can write and it will recognize and it will convert to the text. Okay, so these are only basic usage of S Pen. Still there are more usage of S Pen and we will see those special features in other videos. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.